Hi, today I'm going to fit a little diesel tuner box which I bought off eBay for £59. It's a tuner chip, performance diesel tuner from www.tunerchip.co.uk. Now what I wanted was, I want a little bit more performance out of my Nissan Pathfinder 2.5 diesel. I want a bit more performance and I want a bit of better fuel economy. So this performance chip apparently can give you both of those. So I'm going to install it. It's fairly easy. Takes about 5-10 minutes, and then I'll let you know if it's worth the money or not. So it's 60 quid. Let's see if I'll make that back in fuel economy costs and a little bit better performance. Okay, so first thing you do is take off your engine cover, which you'll just need a 10mm socket. So you take that off. There's no point watching all this, so I'll just cut it here. So once you've taken your two bolts out which keep that in, you just pull this off. It's got two rubber grommets here and here under here. It needs a little bit of sort of shifting around, but it comes off quite easily. And as I say that, I'm holding the phone and doing it. It's not as easy as I thought, but I'll take it off and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so there's your engine without the cover. This part here with these metal hoses, this part, the actual bar going right across, is called your common rail. So that's your common fuel rail. Now at the end of that, if you can see, there's a plug there, and you have to take that plug off and put this plug in from your tuner chip, and the bit that comes out of that, you plug this bit of the tuner chip in. So I'll just do that now. So now I've plugged the new bit in there, the other bit standing here. Take the old part, the old connection, and connect that into the new one, and then put your cover back on. Fix your fixing bolts back in, and what you're going to want to do is then find a cool place for your tuning chip. I've seen some people put it on their battery, because it will stay cool there, but I'm not sure if that's the best idea for me. I've only got cable ties, so I'm going to want to put it somewhere where I can actually wrap a cable tie around it. Now on this diesel tuner, if you take out these two screws, there's a switchboard behind there, and there's different settings for performance. There's 8 switches, and if you switch it to 8, you get maximum performance but really bad fuel economy. And also, you know, I think that's probably a bit too much and might even damage your engine. They suggest you put it on 3 for optimum balance of performance and economy. So I put it on 3. Well, they put it on there for me. I actually told them what car I have, and then they set it up for you and then close it, but you can change it yourself. So I'm going to cable tie this loom so it's out of the way, and store this somewhere where it's cool, and just cable tie that in, and then I'll give it a test and see what difference it makes and let you know. So now I'm going to just turn the ignition on, just let the ECU, just let the ECU actually realise it's got a new little buddy to talk to and communicate with. And I see the engine management lights come on, and it looks like 4-wheel drive buttons come on. So we'll see how this goes. I'll just give it a start now. I think it's enough time. I'll switch it off, switch it back on again. Okay, all those lights have come off now. The idle is the same as it was. I'll give it a drive and let you know how I think it performs. Okay, giving it a test drive now. They say now it takes a couple of kilometers to actually notice the difference, for it to talk to the ECU, communicate back and change the settings. But I'll tell you what, I'm instantly noticing a difference now. The car's more powerful, more responsive, it's clicking through gears quicker. Mine's an auto, so it's getting through the gears quicker, and I suppose getting to the top gear quicker actually makes the fuel economy better. But this is definitely quicker now. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it actually. Yeah, very pleased. Obviously, I'll probably tell you a bit more after a few kilometers, but instantly there's a difference, and I'm quite pleased. For 60 quid, and if that pays me back in fuel economy over a couple of months, then I'm very pleased. Alright, I'll see you again, you know, when I let you know how it's gone after a week or so, I suppose. Alright then guys, cheers.